Hi, my name is Cecilia Lisiu, and I'm the Director of Global Ballet Teachers, and I'm here with the combination of the month. We're going to be learning how to do Assemble. So this is a beginner intermediate exercise. I like to start it at the bar, but we can do the same thing in the center. So it's going to be simple. We're just going to break down the Assemble, learn how to do at the bar, and then we'll do it a little bit quicker. So I'm going to show you two versions of this exercise. First one that you're going to do at the bar, and then the center eventually, and then the second one is like a more intermediate level that you'll go into it after they know how to do Assemble. So let's get to the bar. We'll start in fifth position with our right leg front. So again, this is going to be in 4 counts. So plie is on 1, stay in plie, you're going to dégagé the back leg 2, and then gather your legs together, Assemble to 5th, and then plie 3 and 4. So plie 1, dégagé 2, Assemble 3, straighten 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I also forgot to mention, Assemble means to assemble. So it's really important to go plie, dégagé, assemble your legs in the air before you come down. I use the bar. That's not how your students should do it. They shouldn't hang like that, but they have 2 hands on the bar so that they can use it to get their legs together and gather them together. It's a little bit harder in the center when you maybe don't have the strength in your legs. So it's really a good tool to use 2 hands on the bar. So one more time. 1, 2, gather together 3, straighten 4. 1, 2, Assemble 3 and 4. So let's turn some music on and I'll show that to you. 5th position, right leg front. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Oops. So, as I said, you would do that combination at the bar. Get your students nice and comfortable, nice and strong. Let them understand the concept of gathering their legs together. Then you do that in the center with their hands on the hips so that they gain that strength and really break it down, really using that plie to get up in the air. Now I'm going to show you using the same music, a more intermediate level combination for Assemble, using the exact same music. So instead of breaking down plie, dégagé, Assemble, and gather together, we're going to do it all in one movement. So again, you can do this exercise I'm showing you right now at the bar first, and then the center, but I'm going to show it to you in the center. So we're going to go plie 1, Assemble 2, super so, and straight. Plie, Assemble, super so, and straight. So super so is when you do a sauté in sous 5th position, and you return here. So changement is when you change your legs. Super so is when you just go up in the air and down. So making sure those legs stay together. So simple combination. Plie 1, use that plie to jump up 2, super so 3, straighten 4. 1, Assemble 2, super so, and 4. Let's do that with music. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, straighten 4. 1, 2, 3, straighten 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I'm using my plie to get up in the air and I'm brushing my foot on the ground. Yeah, so one thing, remember when we broke it down, we have plie, dégagé, Assemble. So that's to train your students to use the floor to do Assemble. You don't want to train them to do Assemble like this, where they're just going up in the air. You really want them to brush through, point their foot before they gather it in the air. So I hope that was helpful in knowing how to introduce your students to Assemble. It's a step that you use a lot, especially in advanced level, so it's really important to train your students how to do it properly when they learn it for the first time. So I hope this was helpful, and see you next month for the next combination.